Here we have some more journal entries to do. These are adjusting journal entries, remember. The December utility bill for 425 was unrecorded on December 31st. They paid the bill on January 11th. Well, as of December 31st, I owe that money, right? Remember, so how do I show that I owe something? It's got to be a liability. Accounts payable, and that's going to be the credit part. So we're going to credit accounts payable because we owe it, we didn't pay it, and we're going to debit utilities expense. And that's going to be for the 4 1/4. We're open 7 days a week, and employees are paid a total of $3,500 every Monday for a 7-day work week. December 31st is on a Thursday, so employees will have worked 4 days. So first what we have to do is take that 3,500, divide it by 7, and that will tell us how much the employees are paid per day. Okay, so 500. If I then multiply that by 4, I get $2,000. So we have to do a journal entry accruing $2,000 for those 4 days. So I'm going to debit salaries expense and salaries payable for that 2,000. We signed a $45,000 5% note on November 1st, due in 2 years. Interest is payable on the 1st of each following month. For example, the interest for November would have been paid on December. So we have to calculate 1 month's interest here. And I hope you remember that interest equals principal times rate times time. So my principal is $45,000. Okay, so that times my interest rate, which is 5%, and my time is going to be 1/12. So 1/12. Okay, is everybody okay with that? You could just divide it by 12 once you get it. So I'm going to take my 45, 1, 2, 3, whoops, I got too many zeros in there, don't I? 45, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to take my principal times my rate times my time and that's going to be my adjustment. Now we have to break it down by 1/12 because when they give you the 5%, that's annually. Okay, so the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to debit my interest expense, credit my interest payable. Okay, for 188. We received a fee from Pizza Shop next door for all the pizzas sold to its customers using their facility. The amount owed for December is $300, which the shop will pay on January 4th. So for the 4th, For the fourth one, what are we going to want to do here? We're going to want to, is $300 they owe us. They haven't paid us yet. Okay, so we're going to debit accounts receivable to show that they owe us, and then we're going to credit our revenue account for the $300 that they owe us. Now our last entry, they rented some of his unused warehouse space to a client for $6,000 a month, payable on the first day of the following month. So again, they owe us $6,000 for the month of December that they're going to pay at the beginning of January. So I'm going to debit my accounts receivable because they owe us, and then I'm going to credit my unearned revenue for the same $6,000. Hope this is starting to make a little bit more sense now.